In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust video size in CapCut on PC. If you need to zoom in on a specific part of your clip, crop out distracting edges, or simply change how large your footage appears on screen, CapCut makes it very easy to do. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the quickest way to resize your video directly inside the desktop editor so you can get your layout looking exactly the way you want. To begin, go down to your timeline and find the video clip you want to resize. Once you've found it, click directly on that clip block one time. This is important because CapCut needs to know which asset you want to edit before the resize controls become relevant. When the clip is selected, you'll see a thick white outline appear around it in the timeline. That visual highlight confirms the clip is active and ready for changes. Next, move your attention to the top right side of the interface where the Properties panel is located. This is where CapCut stores most of the clip adjustment tools. Click into the Video tab, then make sure the Basic section is selected just below it. Inside this area, look for the control labeled Scale. In most cases, this will start at 100%, which means your video is currently being shown at its default size. Now you're ready to adjust the size. If you want to enlarge the footage for a cleaner zoom, click inside the numeric value box next to Scale, type 125, and then press Enter on your keyboard. That increases the size of the selected clip and is especially helpful when you want viewers to focus on small details, like text, formulas, or anything that's hard to read at normal size. You also have another option if you prefer a more visual way to work. Look at the preview window in the center of the screen. You'll see blue corner handles around the selected footage. Click and drag those circular corner nodes outward to make the video larger, or inward to make it smaller. This method is great when you want to adjust the scale by eye and fine-tune the framing more naturally. Once you've selected the clip, open the basic video properties and adjusted the scale using either the percentage box or the preview handles, you're done. That's the easiest way to adjust video size in CapCut on PC, and it only takes a few